Hey guys, so don't mind my background, it's so messy, but I don't have time now. I'm just waiting for my grab. I'm a bit late na. I have a meeting today. Mean not just like a meeting, but more of like a group meeting, I would say. But here's the outfit. We're required to wear black top. I don't have any black top available right now. Everything is in the laundry, but I have this, my favorite kimono. And then I also am wearing my a cute short and a black bell shoes. So yun yung outfit ko for today. I also added my fake lashes, that is DIY, and my red lippy. So ito lang yung accessories ko. And my ring. That's just it. Here's my bag actually. Wait, let me. So this is my bag. Ito siya. It's Gentlewoman. I bought it in Thailand. So yeah. This is the only big bag that I had. Lahat small bag na. So yeah, and so stressful. But then, yeah, and I'm just waiting for my grab now. So, hindi natin pwedeng maiwan ang ating tumbler. Or I don't know. But yeah. My tumbler. So this is the fit. So let's just wait for the grab. So yung friend ko, nagdala ng pabango, ng bubudol guys. So, this is perfect nonsense choco tuberose. Yun lang. Nagbebenta. May bentahan dito. Sunday guys, so as usual, you will always see me here in my bed if it's Sunday. And this is before my work hour. And me and my boyfriend decided to magpa-massage before yung work ko. That's why I'm still wearing my pajama. And yeah, I'm so excited. It's been a while since nagpa-massage ako. So nice. Masasayang nagpa-massage tas kakain na. Hey guys, so kauwi ko lang galing sa meeting and nag-shopping kami ng boyfriend ko. Pero first, unbox muna nito natin yung parcel ko from TikTok. Kasi malapit na ako mag-morning shift, so it means that I can adjust my health or my schedule. So, makapag-focus na ako mag-health. So, bumili ako ng shirataki rice and chia seed. Papakita ko sa inyo. Open ko lang. Wait lang. Open ko lang. This is my OG shirataki rice. Ayan. And then, gagawa kasi ako ng mga pudding, ganyan. So, bumili ako chia seed for fiber. Next is bumili kami ng shoes. So, ang binili kong shoes is Pure Boost 5. Colorway niya is white, pero yellowish. So nice, di ba? Yan. Naka-buy one, take one to. So, at such one price, dalawa yung nabili namin. This one is mine, Pure Boost. Sobrang nice niya. Ganda. And then, the other one is yung Adidas Switch, which is sa boyfriend ko naman. We bought this because I will be working in a new company, and here is a very cute mascot nila. So here's a clue kung saan ako mag-work. Yan. It's a unicorn. So, ayan. So, it's a unicorn. So cute! Sobrang laki. Oops! Sobrang laki niya, as in. Sobrang cute. This is like a gift ng boyfriend ko sa akin. Kasi nakuha ako sa company na gusto ko. So, ayan siya. It's a unicorn. Walaan nyo na lang kung anong company yan. Pero ito yung kanilang basic emoji. Kanilang super emoji. Yun lang. Mag-work na me. Bye. Okay guys, my boyfriend told me I missed the opportunity to say that it's not a unicorn. It's a moonicorn because it looks like a cow. So it's a cow and a unicorn at once. Say hi! 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 So, ayan, ito yung itsura ko. Kasi pupunta na kami ngayon doon sa project namin ng JCI Lakambini, which is turnover of materials for the daycare na ipapaayos namin. So, it's a donation, of course. So, yeah, papunta na kami doon. Kain kami dyan. Ito ang waiting area ng mga South people sa Seattle's Best. Vlogger! So, dito tayo sa Seattle's. Order kami ng truffle pasta ng bacon, Salisbury steak fillet, ice americano, and ice hazelnut latte, both medium, and 865 yung aming bill. So, daan muna kami dito while waiting for other girls na pupunta sa project. And yun. Gagawin natin tong child-friendly bar.
Dili na siya makalubay. You think of me, queen?
So, it's a wrap. Our day, our event is over. Actually, hindi pa talaga siya over kaya magbalik pa kami sa next week for groundbreaking and all. But now, it's over for today. And it's so funny kasi papunta kami sa SM and naka-receive ako ng email from Okta for my new work. So, ready na ako for my new work tomorrow. I'm so excited. Pero punta lang kami sa SM today para ipadala yung stuffs ko from past work. Yung mga gamit na naipadala nila sa akin from my old work. And then, ayun, mag-grocery lang. Super light grocery. Hopefully, light man talaga. And then, ayun, kakain. Good morning! So, happy Monday! And finally, Monday is my first day of my work week. Super excited. So, wala pa rin talaga akong idea what my schedule will look like. Pero sabi nila, first week is more of like trainings, ganyan, ganon. So, I have a meeting today at 10 o'clock. And intro lang tayo for our work from home diaries.
Happy first day!
Happy first day at Direct Hire!
Happy season.
Easy nga ba talaga? I will show